Hello dear learner, it is Siksha Vinay and I am going to deliver about the lecture on Kinematics part 7 for study 9. So in the previous class I have dealt about the direction. What is the meaning of direction in mathematics and science? So now I give you the idea of basic trigonometry. So trigonometry is evolved from right angle triangle, which is so simple figure every human can absorb around them. So here is a figure. You can see, if you observe the surrounding, you can find the most common figure is circle and triangle. So now here is a two angle, this, and it is known. So what they did, that this is called hypotenuse. If we take this angle in, it means if you view from this point, it becomes the perpendicular. Or upon which you stand here, that means BC is your base. Base means upon which you stand. Have you got my point? And if your perspective is different, denoted by a perpendicular denoted by a small p and base is denoted by small b. If your perspective is changed in the same figure, if you go to the top and view or watch from this point, then it must seem to you that on which you stand is called base. So here AB is the stand, AB is the ground on which you stand. Yes or not? So this is the base, and you must seem an observers watch this line as a pillar. Yes or not? So this is the vertical line for the observer, so this is called perpendicular. Have you got my point? That means if the viewing perspective is different, then the same side is taken as a pillar, same side taken as a base. It is up to the angle or up to the viewing perspective, what angle you take. Have you got my point? So now you know about in triangle there are three sides and three angles. Yes or not? This is the smallest polygon in which there are three sides and three angles. Three sides are this, this, and this, and three angles are this, this, and this. So if you take an idea that I have to take the ratio of the sides, how many ratio you can find out? Think about it. How many ratio you can find out? Yes, there is 9 ratios. Oh, strange. There is only 6? No, my boy, no, my learner. There is 9 ratio. I am giving you the correct, all the ratios here. AB by BC. Okay. Second is its reciprocal, BC by AB. Have you got my point? Now you can say AC by AB, or you can say AB by AC. Now you can say BC by AC, and you can say AC by BC. There is only 6. No, there are there are another 3 also. Here you can take ratio about AB and AB, BC and BC, yes or not, AC and AC. But it can be ignored because actually it is 1. It does not give the idea of anything. That's why it can be ignored. So actually the necessary ratio in this triangle ABC must be 6. So if you take this ratio and we add this as with the viewing perspective, then the nature of this ratio become different. It become a strange idea that I am giving you how it become different. Different means ratio is same, but the idea seems to be different. Here, if we take the perspective from this, so for you this will be P and this will be P, and H is the H never changes. Have you got my point? So if I say I take the ratio AB by AC, you must say that I am measuring, you can say AB AC nothing but P by H. If you think like that, this is P by H, because AB may be B, AB may be P according to viewing perspectives. But you are saying that it is P. It means you have to assign that you are viewing from theta or not. Yes or not? So you have to say something about it. If you say only AB by AC, it doesn't need any explanation. This is the ratio, okay. This is the ratio of side. But if you say this is P by H, then you have to give an extra idea. You have to give some more information. That is the work of mathematics. They create new idea or new thing that give the more information. So I have created more information about it. So we can say the ratio is given according to the perspective of theta. According to theta. Yes or not? Now if I say BC by AC, it is a simple ratio. But if I convert it into the perspective, it becomes B by H. That means our perspective is here according to theta. Now the question is how we symbolize this term according to theta or according to theta. Here the ratio is different. Here ratio is AB by AC, ABC by AC. But I have written here the same symbol according to theta. So mathematician also write some symbol. This symbol is different than this because both the ratio are different. So actually according to theta is, in the first case, is written by Aryabhat as Jya Kon. If you say see as saw in Sanskrit, Jya Kon saw. Have you got my point? Or you can abbreviate it as Jya saw. Have you got my point? So this, when the work of Aryabhat goes to Arab and then goes to Greek, the Greek mathematician have the word for Jya. Jya means actually means measurement in Sanskrit, and they know about the idea about the word of measurement in Greece is sinus. Have you got my point? So in Greece it becomes sinus angle C, or C is the English letter, so angle theta, sinus theta. And in the modern term it also can be abbreviated as sine, sine theta, or it also can be abbreviated as sine theta alone. Have you got my point? It is the historical development of Ja Kon Saw, which is given by Aryabhatta. Now in the second case, Aryabhatta give the name for it Koti Jia Saw. Say Saw is the angle here. So now Ko word is also taken as the same, similarly same from Sanskrit. So here in Greece it will be taken as Koti for Ko and Jia for sinus, or becomes sine theta, or it can be taken as cos theta. It means sine theta and cos theta are discovered by Indian mathematician